Hi, Kipsters. It's Miss Hudson, and it is math time. Before we get started, I wanted to shout out a few friends who we have been noticing doing their math every single day. Today, I am shouting out Joshua, Taiwan, Skylar, and Juliana. We are so proud of the work that you're doing, guys, and you will hear your names throughout our math lesson today. So, listen up. All right, so Joshua, hey Joshua, he had 9 pencils. Some of his pencils were red and some were blue. We're going to draw a number bond and a number sentence to show Joshua's pencils. Here we go. So Joshua had nine pencils. I'm going to draw some of them that were red and some that were blue. All right. So my marker is red. Doesn't matter the color. Joshua had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue pencils. All right. Now I can make a number bond to show this. He had 9 in his hole. Remember, these are our parts. He had 5 here and 4 there. Now we can write a number sentence. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Another way we can write that is 9 equals 5 plus 4. All right, guys. Great job warming up with me. Now, you guys had a special problem when we were working together the last time. And your problem was Ariana had 6 heart beads and 4 round beads. How many beads did Ariana have altogether? Now, I know that you've been working hard, but let's check our work to see if you got that correct. All right? So I'm going to erase. And now I'm going to draw Ariana's beads. So Ariana had 6 heartbeats. I'm going to draw the heartbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I drew those hearts the 5 group way. And she had 4 round beads. I'll draw the 4 round beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to know how many beads did Ariana have all together. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we have to do? That's right. Go back. Go back and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Now we can write a number sentence to show this. She had 6 heart beads plus the 4 round beads, which gave us a total of what? 10 beads. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Great job, Kipsters. So we're going to keep it going with word problems, but today we're going to continue working with unknown numbers with a total of 9 and 10. All right, we're going to work with unknown numbers with a total of 9 and 10. All right, so I'm going to read you some word problems. You're going to use your listening ears today. You're going to use your laser focused eyes to stay focused, and you will need paper and pencil. If you don't have that, you can go get it right now. I'll wait for you guys. All right, let's listen to the story. So, Taiwan has 9 toy blocks. Some are large and some are small. I want to read it one more time. Taiwan has 9 toy blocks. Some are large and some are small. How many do you think are large? I'm going to draw a picture. I'm thinking that 7 of them were large. So I'm going to draw large blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. And I drew those 7 the 5 group way. So if 7 of the blocks were large, how many were small? What do you think we should do? I'm thinking that we should count on drawing the small blocks. So that's 7. Remember, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to keep going, drawing small blocks. 8, 9. And we're going to stop at 9 because in the story problem, we said that Taiwan has 9 blocks. All right. So we're going to count them all together to make sure that we are correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 7 large blocks. And then we have 8, 9, which is a total of 2 small blocks. So now we can write our number sentence. The numbers that we used were 9 equals 7 for the large blocks, putting together. So we're going to use a plus sign. And then the 2 small blocks, 9 equals 7 plus 2. All right, so on to our next problem. Skylar, hey Skylar. Skylar had a plate of 9 cookies. Some were vanilla and some were strawberry. How many of each kind of cookie did she have? Now, do we know how many of each kind that she has? Did we say that in our story problem? No, we did not. So we have to use our thinking brain to think of numbers that we can use to break apart the number 9. All right. So the number that I'm thinking of is the number 3 for vanilla cookies. All right. So I'm going to draw my 3 vanilla cookies. 1, 2, 3. My 3 vanilla cookies. Now I need to figure out how many strawberry cookies she had. Well, if we have 1, 2, 3, I can count on to get to 9. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My friend Skylar has 3 vanilla cookies and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. 6 strawberry cookies. Now we can write a number sentence to show this. She had 9 cookies, so 9 equals 3 for the vanilla cookies plus 6 for the strawberry cookies. 9 equals 3 plus 6. So what we did together was we figured out how many of each kind of cookie she had. We took a guess and we said she had the 1, 2, 3 vanilla cookies, and then we had to count on to figure out how many of the strawberry cookies she had. And we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the strawberry cookies. So 9 equals 3 plus 6. Great job. All right, guys, so this is our last problem together. I'm going to read you the number story 2 times, and you're going to figure out the number sentence and the picture all on your own, all right? So, listen up. Juliana had a basket of 10 blocks. Some were white and some were gray. How many of each color did Juliana have? All right? Juliana had a basket of 10 blocks. Some were white and some were gray. We need to figure out how many were white and how many were gray. I'm going to give you some time to work on your own. Press pause, and when you're done, press play. All right, guys, so let's solve this problem. Juliana had a total of 10 blocks, all right? Some were white and some were gray. So we're going to draw some that were white. I'm going to pick a number, and this may not be the number that you picked. You could have picked a different number, but I'm going to pick the number 5. So I'm going to draw 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to write a W there because those were the white blocks. Now I'm going to count on to figure out how many of the gray blocks she had. So that's 5. Now I'm going to count on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that's the gray blocks that she had. All right, so now I can count to see how many of each she had. Of the white, she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of the gray, she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can now write a number sentence to show this. So, Juliana had 5 white, and I'm going to use a plus sign because we're putting the numbers together. 5 plus the 5 gray. 5 white and 5 gray, and she had a total of 10 blocks. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or we can say 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now, you might have picked a different number. You could have picked 7 and 3, and your number sentence would have looked like this. 7 plus 3 equals 10. You could have picked 8 plus 2 equals 10. You could have picked 1 plus 9 equals 10. There are so many different numbers that you could have picked to show Juliana's blocks. But I picked 5 plus 5. I had 5, I counted on, and I had 5 gray, and that gave me a total of 10. All right? Great job working. All right, lastly, I'm going to leave you with the problem, and I'll check in with you tomorrow to see how well you have done. All right? I'm going to read the number problem to you. Jace has 9 bouncy balls. Draw the bouncy balls the 5-group way, color some red and some blue, and fill in the number sentence to match. Jace had 9 bouncy balls. You're going to draw the picture of the bouncy balls the 5-group way, just like we did, and then you're going to color some red and some blue, and you're going to make a number sentence to match. I can't wait to see your work.